Click the Help icon while anywhere in JobTread to access the JobTread AI Support Assistant. We like to call him Jay. JobTread AI is trained by the JobTread Help Desk to provide on-demand assistance while answering JobTread-related questions and guiding you through how to accomplish almost anything within the system. Let's check it out. When we first click the Help icon on the top right, we'll see JobTread AI open. Here we can use a provided prompt, and then we can review its response. Now we can also resize the window and move it around so we can still use JobTread as it guides us. Want to start a new chat? Open the left menu and click New Chat. Your most recent chats are also temporarily stored on this menu in case you need to quickly reference a conversation, let's say from earlier today. At the bottom, you'll find a quick way to quickly access additional help resources. Say we're working on a job schedule. And maybe while on the schedule, we're wondering how to set it as our baseline for the job. Well, simply open the JobTread AI Support Assistant and then ask what you need. You'll see that it searches our help desk. It will surface any tutorials that it's read, which you can quickly access through the direct link. And it provides specific guidance for our prompt. Now, if it finds a related video, then you'll be able to watch it right here. And now we can easily move forward with our work without interruption. Let's see some other great highlights of the JobTread AI Support Assistant. We can ask for a list of upcoming live training sessions, and once we do, we get quick access to register and join. We also can ask for guidance to set up an integration. Now with this prompt, it's going to help us think through the important steps and decisions that we need to make for that integration to be successful. We can also say that we need help or we want to talk to support. And then we'll have the option to send a message directly to the JobTread support team. The JobTread AI Support Assistant can also be accessed through the search bar in the help desk. So simply ask a question in the search bar, and then click the JobTread AI option. We hope you enjoy help on demand with the JobTread AI Support Assistant. If you have any questions, please contact your success manager, email support@jobtread.com, or just ask Jay, our AI support assistant himself.